neck's too long to
Yeah.
do that.
I just want to touch it.
Careful. I don't think he likes it very much now.
You don't like me, do you?
No, they don't like anyone.
Alright, so this is London. We'd planned to, go and see all the big tourist locations today. So we had Big Ben, Westminster Abbey, all that planned. But then we found a lake and it has a swan in it, and ducks and geese and cygnets and baby moorhens. So the way this is going, I think baby coots, sorry. So the way I think this is going, we're going to basically spend most of our morning here instead.
Still happy with my squirrels.
So now that we've finished with the birds and squirrels and animals, back to our original plan for today.
We're not going to get lost.
Yep. No. Okay, we are going to get lost.